As you can see, you got a blown fuse. See the black in the middle of it right there? So that's blown. Not allowing the unit to kick on. So we're gonna test, usually on these air temp units, heat pumps, usually it's the contactors that goes bad on either the heater kit or for the AC or for AC or heat pump. So I'm gonna check this one. Pros there. I'm getting 14.1 ohms. I'm supposed to get the same, relatively the same on both of these over here. So when I check across, I should get 14 or somewhere close to that. As you can see, I'm getting 1.0, so that's bad. And usually when this one goes, the other one usually goes with it. So I'm gonna check the other one. But needless to say, the other one's bad as well. So I'm gonna have to replace both of these, and I should replace the fuse as well. And just make sure everything else is working properly. The coil looks nice and clean in there. Inside the blower looks clean as well. So let me get these replaced and get everything up and running and go from there. I believe the emergency heat did kick in. Test it. Emergency heat is working. Test. 32 amps, so he's working. Test it here. Pulling 31 points. So you guys are good. We're gonna make sure everything fires up. Make sure the temperature inside the house is what it's supposed to be, and we should be good to go from there. As you can see, units on. Place both of those contactors there. Place the fuse. I'm gonna button everything up now. Make sure everything is good, and we should be good to go.